Ever wished your Capitec app could tell you the moment money comes in or goes out of your account? Well, it can. Today, we'll unlock the power of Capitec payment notifications to keep you in the loop, always. First things first, open your Capitec mobile app and log in securely using your fingerprint or PIN. Once you're in, look for the settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon, typically found at the bottom of the screen or in a side menu. Tap on Settings, and then you'll see an option for notifications. Go ahead and select that. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see different types of notifications for payment alerts. We want to focus on the options related to transactions. Look for toggles labeled something like Incoming Payments, Outgoing Payments, or All Transactions. To get notified about money coming into your account, make sure the Incoming Payments toggle is switched on similarly to be alerted when money leaves your account. Ensure Outgoing Payments is also enabled. Now, for a bit of customization, some versions of the app might offer further options to tailor these alerts. You might be able to choose specific types of transactions you want to be notified about, or even set notification sounds. Take a moment to explore these settings to ensure they fit your needs. Once you're happy, simply exit the settings menu. Your changes are usually saved automatically. And that's it. From now on, you'll receive instant alerts on your phone for every payment, helping you stay proactive with your finances and detect any unusual activity immediately. Stay secure, stay informed, and happy banking with Capitec.